and the sounds. Here is the first letter. As this letter is shaped like a dolphin, we will call it diving dolphin, just like the character from the earlier story. The diving dolphin letter makes a D sound. The words diving and dolphin also start with a D sound. Too simple. Now we know the letter diving dolphin makes a D sound like this. D as in diving dolphin. D. 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 Now let's say it together. D. 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 Great job, mashallah. Now let's have a look at diving dolphin letter carrying baby A on top. As diving dolphin makes a D sound and baby A on top makes an A sound, together we can read them as D. D. A. D. Let's repeat it again. D. A. D. D. Now we will learn the second letter. As you see, it looks like a dolphin as well, but with a dot on top. Since this letter reminds us of the dolphin juggling a ball from the story, we will call it Dhakir, the dolphin with a ball. Dhakir, the dolphin with a ball letter makes a the sound. The word Dhakir starts with a the sound as well. There's a nice hint. Remember, to pronounce this sound correctly, you need to place your tongue between your teeth and say the. Now we know the letter Dhakir, the dolphin with a ball, makes a the sound like this. The as in Dhakir. The. 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 Now let's say it together. The. 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 Fantastic, alhamdulillah. Now let's have a look at Dhakir, the dolphin with a ball, carrying baby A on top. As Dhakir, the dolphin with a ball, makes a the sound, and baby A on top makes an A sound, together we read them as the. The. A. The. Let's repeat it again. The. A. The. The. Now we're going to read some words with the D and the sounds.
D. A. B. D. A. B. Z. B. H. Z. B. H. D. X. Z. D. X. Z. ث أ ذ ث أ ذ.
Great.
Alhamdulillah. Sound pad. Help the frog find.
Tap on D. Tap on D. 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 D. Tap on the. The. 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 Tap on the. The.
Fantastic.
Sound search. Tap the picture that
Which picture starts with the D sound?
desk.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Robot. Dish.
Yes!
Alhamdulillah.
Catch the crab. Match the words and catch the crab.
Fantastic.
Letter song. Listen to the song and sing along.
D is for diving dolphin, the star of the show. A simple letter to draw, didn't you know? Start at the top, then a sweeping curve around. Then you got a diving dolphin with a D sound. Start at the top, then a sweeping curve around. Then you got a diving dolphin with a D sound. The is for that girl, a dolphin with a ball. Balancing on his nose, it will never fall. Diving dolphin and that girl look almost the same, except for the dot that gives that girl his name. Diving dolphin and that girl look almost the same, except for the dot that gives that girl his name.
Fantastic. Word hunt.
Tap on
تدب
Yes.
Tap on
جاء ذا
Yes.
Tap on
جحد
Tap on
جحد
Yes.
Tap on
خدب
Yes.
Tap on
حبذ
Yes.
Tap on
بذث
Yes.
Tap on
ذجت
Yes.
Tap on
أدذ
Yes. MashaAllah.
reading practice. Read the words using the sounds you have learned in this country. To check your reading, tap the sound button on each page. Tap the arrow buttons to turn the page. Once complete, tap the end button.
تدب جتد خدب جحد تجد تدب خادجة ثدح ثدح
Fantastic.
Tap the country